Hello everyone, this is Engineer Abbas. Today we are going to continue our video tutorials about creating a road in our Civil 3D application. So, to talk about the previous videos, we did know how to get a contour map using different applications such as Google Global Mapper, okay, from Google Earth, importing points, exporting points, etc. And the other method was using AutoCAD Civil 3D 2012. Today we are going to draw the horizontal alignment, but we are going to do everything from beginning, but in a faster way. So I'm not going to make a lot of explanation, just to the part that we are going to talk about today, which is the horizontal alignment, because other stuff we did in last videos. So please focus with me, leave your phone, and let's begin. Okay, so here we have Google Earth. Let us define first what is the horizontal alignment. So horizontal alignment is basically, to be more specific, is this road. This road is called the horizontal alignment. And this here, you see this one here, this one here is called the horizontal curve. Okay, so this curve, okay, or this radius connects two tangents, this tangent and this tangent together. So this is what we are going to talk about, how to make a road just like this, one that's similar to this one. Okay, so let's focus on what we're going to do, and let's do the previous steps we did in previous videos. So we go to Tools, Options, and we make sure that it's Universal Transverse Mercator, okay, which is UTM, and we hit OK. You go to a place and you select a path that I already selected. Okay, so let me hit U and N. Then I'm going to save this, save as road. Okay, so I'll close Google Earth now, and here it is, I have it here. So the next step is to open Global Mapper here, hit open, and let's find the file. Here's the file, and we're going to click on download online imagery and wait for it. No, not this one. We need to make something before. I'm sorry. Go to configure, choose the UTM, and hit OK. Then you can go again to the download online imagery topo terrain maps and connect. Wait for it, and here it is. Then we go to export as we learned before, and we choose this option. Hit OK, OK, and another OK. Then I will save it the same name, and we wait just a little until it's being saved. Okay, we close it, and here's the other file we are going to use. So we open it and we see these, we delete them, okay, then Control S or file save, whatever, then close it. After that we are going to open the Excel like what I did here, and we are going to drag this. You see this? We're going to drag it here. Oh, and another Excel sheet is opened. So close the first one and get to here. Now we click an arrow or A line here and go to the data, then text to columns, next, comma, finish. As you can see here, okay, we click on A, then insert. After that we numerize them. Okay, like this, and here you go. Now we are going to save them. Save save as, browse, okay, on the desktop, and you need to save it as CSV comma delimited, and save. Okay, everything is done. Here it is. Here is our Excel file. So then we go to the AutoCAD Civil 3D, which I didn't open sadly. Okay, just let's wait for it to open. And okay, here it is opening. Yep, and it opened. So first of all, we said we need to go to Settings tab here in this box, and we hit on Drawing, right click, Edit Drawing Settings, meters, degrees. So as I told you before, I'm in Jordan, so I'm going to choose Jordan coordinates. You can choose your country. Okay, and my available coordinate system I'm gonna use is this, and hit OK. We're waiting. Then we go to Prospector again and Points, Create. Then here we are going to choose our Excel file, which is this, open. Then we are going to use PNZ comma delimited, and at points we are going to call this SA, and here OK, and OK. Wait for it. Then type on the keyboard, type Z letter, and wait, enter. Then E letter. E? You typed E? Okay. Another enter. You will see the points. Oh, that's pretty good. What's the next step? We'll go to surfaces, and we'll right click and click on create surface. Alright? Then I'm gonna call this as a surface, and the contour is going to be from 1 to 5, and OK. Another OK here. So then we expand the surfaces, and we go to the definition, then point groups and add. After that we hit all points and OK. Wait for it, and here you go. This is your contour map. So let's make some edit for it. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, and choose this, one of them, okay, because they are bothering to the eye, and select similar. Then go to the properties, wait a little, and another waiting, yeah, another. We need to see something like label visibility. You see it? This one. Hit on false and look at the magic. Yeah, it's gone. So hit exit and go to the layers here. Find the V node. V node. Here it is. V node. Click on off. Oh, so now you can do things perfectly, right? Okay, then we'll go and add labels. What are the labels? The labels are the elevations of the contour lines. So annotate and add labels, then surface, multiple. We will start to add our labels like that. Like this, like this, like this, like this. We are going to add a lot of contour lines, you see? Yep. And I can say that this is enough. Okay, let's zoom in. Well, they are look pretty big, right? So let's edit them. Okay, just let me go to settings, I think, then surface, label styles, contour, existing major labels, right click and edit. Okay, major are 2.54. okay, just make it 5 and hit OK. Oh, we just made them bigger. Again 2.5. okay, and those here, let's make them 1. Yeah, let them total disappear so we can work perfectly. Yeah, so this is better for the eye. So let's now talk about the horizontal alignment and how to draw it. Well, there is a couple of methods to draw the horizontal alignment. There is the basic method, like if you wanted to show your friend how to draw a horizontal alignment on the Civil 3D. You know, it doesn't need anything, just hit the alignment creation tools, and put the name you want here and hit OK. Then come here and choose the default radius you want. It's by default 200. Okay, so tangent with curves. Hit on this, click on it, and now I will draw it outside the contour map just to make some illustrations. Okay, we hit here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here, then here, and as you can see, we created our road. So this is a simple way just to make some explanation for someone who doesn't know how to make one. Okay, but let's talk about like civil engineers. This is not what we want. We want something professional, something with specifications. Everyone knows that highway designing follows AASHTO. You people know AASHTO, right? So hit on the alignment creation tools and click in design criteria. Here I will choose SAALIG. Okay, so we are going to use the 100 km/h design speed. Okay, and we're going to choose this 2004. Okay, open, here it is, and we are going to choose 8% Emax, and from here plan a roadway. Then hit OK. Before hitting OK, what does this mean? 100 km design speed, Emax maximum 8. What is this? Okay, let me show you. So we have this from AASHTO tables. As you see here, Emax 8% provides you with the minimum radius according to this designing speed. So we have chosen 100 km/h as a designing speed, which gives us a minimum radius 394. So our radius shouldn't be lower than 394. Okay, you are not allowed to put a value that is less than 394. It's forbidden. Okay, so let's move to the program to show you more illustration. Okay, so we hit OK. Now I will make a mistake to make an illustration. So let's draw the same road we just drawn, okay, or drew. Okay, it's just the same one that we did. Why is this problem? We have problem here, saying that there's problem, you see. Well, let's see. We have a problem with the radius. Let's make sure. Hit on this. You see it? Alignment grid view. Hit on this, and you will find that you have a minimum radius of 394 and you have 61.214, which is wrong. It needs to be at least 394. So when you try to put it at the minimum, it doesn't work. Why is that? Okay, first of all, let me tell you something. The AASHTO, when you want to put an AASHTO Emax, okay, like 8%, and designing speed 100, you need to know how to draw. So it gives you 394 minimum radius. It means it needs to be 394 or higher from this value. So here, this kind of drawing is not accepted. You want to know what I mean? Okay, let me show you. So we still have problems here. This one, and this one, right? Okay, so let's delete it, and let me show you how to make this right. Okay, so first of all, let me pause the video to make another one. Okay, stay with me.